Welcome to the Daily Mouse Clicks, and today we're going to be talking about the scroll wheel on the mouse and some of the great features we have. Obviously, the scroll wheel will allow you to scroll up and down on a web page. That one we pretty much know. Now, if we click on the scroll wheel, there we go, you can actually use your mouse by pulling down on the mouse or moving up on the mouse, not using the scroll wheel at all. So that allows a little bit quicker sliding up and down of the web page and browsing of the page. Another nice feature is if you use the control key and use the scroll wheel, it allows you to scroll out or scroll in to enlarge the text, which can be really nice and helpful, if you want to be able to see some closer detail or be able to see the letters a little bit clearer. The other neat feature that you have is that you can hold the Shift key and use the scroll wheel. It allows you to move back and forth between web pages and pages you've been to. That's a really helpful little option that you have. So from that standpoint, we can go back and forth. Now, if you want, you can make some changes to your settings by going to your Start menu, and in the search box, type mouse, and you can see under the control panel we have the mouse here. It allows you to customize your mouse settings, such as your button configuration, double click, the type of pointers you have, and the motion speed. And the mouse properties here, you see the buttons that you can change if you're left or right-handed, which could be really helpful. Change the pointers. You can speed up the pointers, add some motion to it. And with the scroll wheel, you can change the number of lines at a time that it'll actually scroll. So you can actually reduce it so it'll only go one line at a time, or you can increase it. The horizontal scrolling is only if you have a mouse that actually has a scroll that will go left and right. So you can test that just by pushing your mouse left and right. If it doesn't do it, then you don't have that capability. You click Apply, and you're all set. I hope this has been helpful to you. Happy Fat Tuesday, and you have a great day.